Few months back, I got to interact with a group of 26 mid-level working professionals of an IT company. Each one of them had work experience of more than 8 years. The workshop was about making them crisp, clear, and concise in their communication. So at the start of workshop, after some warm up, I made them do an exercise which is very commonly done and it's quite simple, but the outcome is very important. Okay. So the professionals were divided into pairs and they were asked to interview each other for a few minutes to know about the achievements, hobbies, etc. of their partner. So after they finished, interviewing professionals came in front one by one and narrated to the group what they gathered about their partner. So there was no sequence as such in which they came forward. Anyone could raise hand and could volunteer and come forward. Okay. I noticed that some professionals volunteered almost immediately, walked in front and spoke. Let's call them category 1. Okay. Some needed to be coaxed a bit or pushed a bit. Okay, let's call them second category, category 2. And yet there were few professionals who came forward only after multiple nudges and motivation. Okay, to them, call them category 3. The first category of professionals, by and large, also fared the best in speaking. Okay, and in the third category, some professionals barely spoke, and some even just they were just reading out from a prepared paragraph. I asked each professionals who came in front in category 1. So I asked them, and almost each one of them told that they had performed a similar activity before. They have either performed it before in the company or in their school or in college. They have done it. And the most hesitant ones, that is category 3, they had near zero such experience. So do you see what happened in this case? I asked the same question to them also. Okay, those who had faced same or similar uncomfortable situation, that is to speak in front of the people earlier, were more at ease in speaking to this group today. Okay. In other words, they were more experienced in the situations they were facing, which is experiential learning, right? They have experienced those situations before. What looks effortless performance by some is actually a cumulative effect of facing that situations many times before. They have been facing it, practicing it, okay, and that's why today it looks very effortless. If the professionals in the third category to expose themselves to such situations, they too move to the first category, okay, probably from third to second to first. It's all about embracing discomfort and getting more and more relevant experience under your belt. Majority of people, what do? They feel a situation as uncomfortable and then don't really move ahead. Okay, your ability to speak has nothing to do with any inborn factor. Okay. Like a loser, I would say, I'm sorry to use this word, but there's no better word for this, okay? Like a loser, don't search for reasons like not from a good school, I didn't have such surroundings, the family was not supportive. As an adult, if you are giving these excuses, I'm sorry, but these are all invalid, okay? Work on yourself now, face your fear, speak up, okay? Your career growth is as certain as rising of the morning sun, as I keep saying. Press the like button to confirm that you're liking this kind of content which I am creating. Subscribe to the channel now. Coach APM signing off now. See you in the next video. Take care.